Okay, today I will talk about the foot sensor. For our newest foot sensor, these are the three color of wire we have. For the green one, you can run it through the rubber tube to here, so it can tap together with the purple wire here, or you can instead tap the green wire to the purple wire here, near the connector. And for the power, use the blue poster tab to tap it to the power cable, not the one you connect to the ground, but the one that you run to the front, to the driver's side. And for the yellow, you can just cut it, because it's useless. And after that, you can test it. We recommend you to test it before you put it into the bumper. So this is our sensor. The way you test it is to put the sensor under the bumper, connect it, and then just use your hand, just do it like this. See? Now the trunk is closing. So don't put it under the bumper, because otherwise it will detect something else. Put it under the bumper and then just tap it, and then you can test if the sensor works before you put it into the bumper. It's not a wise decision to assemble everything without testing the sensor. So just tap it, and now you can see it is. So tap it again. Okay, so that's how you test it.